Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. For upcoming OBS exam 30 current affair asked, this is the first part of March month of current affairs. Each part contain 50 plus questions. Our target 30 out of 30 mark. So don't time waste. Let's start the first question. Muhyiddin bin Haji Mohammad Yassin has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which of the following country? Your right answer is Malaysia. Option 5 is your correct answer. Who won the 27th edition of Mexican Open held between February 24 to 29, 2020 in men's singles category? Your right answer is Rafael Nadal. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the Indian city which is going to host the 108th Indian Science Congress in 2021 based on the theme Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women's Empowerment. Your right answer is Pune. Option 4 is your correct answer. Recently, State Bank of India has switched to CBBA method from projected balance sheet method of fund based working capital limits for assessment of the working capital requirement for corporate or large advances. The C in CBBA denotes. Your right answer is cash. Option 5 is your correct answer. The World Wildlife Day celebrated on 3rd March every year to raise awareness of the world's wildlife and plants. What is the theme of WWD 2020? Your right answer is sustaining all life on earth. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the Indian university which signed MOU with the Indian Air Force to establish the Chair of Excellence named Marshal of the Air Force Arjun Singh Chair of Excellence. Your right answer is Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Option 2 is your correct answer. The person who has been honored with Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee Award for Politics in Swarajya Award 2020. Your right answer is Sarbanandan Sonowal. Sarbananda Sonowal. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the Indian university which topped the medal tally of first Khelo University Games held at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Your right answer is Punjab University. Option 3 is your correct answer. The central government notified National Chambal Sanctuary as eco-sensitive zone recently. The National Chambal Sanctuary is located at which Indian state? Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which Indian digital payment platform subsidiary has received the brokerage license from Insurance Regulatory and Authority of India? Your right answer is Paytm. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the private sector bank which ties up with online food ordering and delivery app Zomato to launch co-branded credit card powered by MasterCard. Your right answer is RBL Bank. Option 1 is your correct answer. Jack Welch, who passed away recently, is the former chairman and CEO of which multinational company? Your right answer is General Electric. Option 3 is your correct answer. The Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Exchange has sanctioned 33 crore financial assistance to Kaziranga Tiger Reserve under Project Tiger scheme. The Kaziranga National Park is located in which Indian state? Your right answer is Assam. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the country which become first nation in the world to make all the public transport free from 29 February 2020. Your right answer is Luxembourg. Option 4 is your correct answer. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) has granted dash in the rural banking system during the fiscal year 2020. Your right answer is 1.46 lakh crore. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the person who has been named as the 128th winner of Commonwealth Point of Light Award. Your right answer is Jadav Peng. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the food delivery business company which was acquired by Zomato for $206 million. Your right answer is Uber Eats. Option 1 is your correct answer. The Union Cabinet approves the amalgamation of 10 public sector bank into dash public sector bank in effect from April 1, 2020. Your right answer is 4. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the Indian state which announced Jharkhand town as summer capital. Your right answer is Uttarakhand. Option 2 is your correct answer. Janez Janša has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Slovenia. What is the capital and currency of Slovenia? Your right answer is Ljubljana and Euro. Option 2 is your correct answer. The Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs has constituted a committee to examine and recommend committee forest resource guideline under the Forest Right Act 2006. Who head the committee? Your right answer is Naresh Chandra Saxena. Option 5 is your correct answer. Javier Perez de Cuellar, who passed away recently, is the former Secretary General of which world organization? Your right answer is United Nations Organization (UNO). Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the Indian state which organized 3-day Namaste Orcha festival. Your right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Option 4 is your correct answer. As per Microsoft Consulting report titled The Real Story of Women's Fiscal Inclusion in India, women's ownership of bank accounts under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is increased from 43% in 2014 to -% in 2017. Your right answer is 77. Option 4 is your correct answer. Under which section of Banking Regulation Act 1949 the Ministry of Finance has imposed moratorium on Yes Bank? Your right answer is Section 45. Option 4 is your correct answer. Denis Samgal succeed Olkikse Honcharuk to become the Prime Minister of which of the following country? Your right answer is Ukraine. Option 5 is your correct answer. Amrit Kumar Kaur has been honored as Women of the Year for 1947 in 100 Women of the Year project by Time magazine. Name the person who has been honored as Women of the Year for 1976. Your right answer is Indira Gandhi. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the Indian who has been honored with Sportsman of the Year award in Times of India Sports Award 2019. Your right answer is PV Sindhu. Option 5 is your correct answer. Name the Indian institute which developed artificial intelligence powered drone to counter rogue drones. Your right answer is IIT Madras. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the life insurance company which is going to provide football coaching to the underprivileged girls under Bachpan Ka Rakshakaran program in association with Oscar Foundation. Your right answer is Tata AIA Life Insurance. Option 5 is your correct answer. As per United Nations Global Compact, India study India's female labor force participation declined from 34% in 2006 to -% in 2020. Your right answer is 24.8%. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the person who has become the first player in the world to play 500 T20 matches. Your right answer is Kieron Pollard. Option 4 is your correct answer. With which world organization the Ministry of Women's and Child Development had organized a discussion program on the topic the future of work, women in India workforce at New Delhi. Your right answer is World Bank. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the organization which in collaboration with UN Women and Plan International has released the report titled A New Era for Girls, taking stock on 25 years of progress. Your right answer is United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF. Option 5 is your correct answer. Indian Coastal Guard 9th edition of rescue exercise SAREX 2019 conducted at which Indian state? Your right answer is Goa. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the Indian state which is first in the country to own a separate department for self-help group named Department of Mission Shakti. Your right answer is Odisha. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the Indian state which is going to launch a digital literacy drive named I Am Also Digital to create awareness about e-governance. Your right answer is Kerala. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the person who has been honored with the World Games Athlete of the Year 2019 award in Hockey India 3rd Annual Award 2019. Your right answer is Rani Rampal. Option 2 is your correct answer. As per the paper Rethinking Gender Representation Across Value Chain released during the 3rd Gender Equality Summit 2020, if women's labor force is same as men's labor force, then it can boost India GDP by dash. Your right answer is 27%. Option 3 is your correct answer. The government of India set up 12-member panel to prepare investigation manual for serious fraud investigation office. Name the person who head the panel. Your right answer is Injeti Srinivas. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the person who has been appointed as the head of Delimation Commission for the Delimitation of Assembly and Parliamentary Constituency of Jammu and Kashmir and Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Northeast State. Your right answer is Ranjan Prakash Desai. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the Indian state which topped in the list for domestic solar rooftop installation throughout the country. Your right answer is Gujarat. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the world organization which released the first edition of Gender Social Norms Index 2020. Your right answer is United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the technological company which unveiled Digi Pivot and 18-week long skill development program for women. Your right answer is Google India. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the person who has won the BBC poll for greatest leader of all time. Your right answer is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the person who has authored the book Lady You Are the Boss. Your right answer is Apurva Purohit. Option 3 is your correct answer. In which Indian city the India Post launched India's first digital panel parcel locker service? Your right answer is Kolkata. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the world first digital solution exchange cloud which was launched in India. Your right answer is Gokadal. Option 3 is your correct answer. Name the person who has been appointed as first ever ambassador of IDFC Bank, First Bank. Your right answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Option 2 is your correct answer. This is the last questions of today class. The World Kidney Day for the year 2020 is celebrated on dash. Your right answer is March 12. Option 4 is your correct answer. I hope you like this section. Lastly, I am saying you the people, if you daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.